Alrighty guys, we got ourselves a no cool, so let's go figure out what's going on, huh? Okay, well, inside came on. Just heard it, so let's go check on the outside. Oh, interesting lock. Huh. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh. Let's go figure out what condenser is not cooling. Mosquitoes are bad over here. I bet you all this wildlife and all this rain we've been getting. Duck, duck, duck. Goose? What? Duck. 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 Goose? Goose maybe? Okay. It's the only one not running. That one's condensating. That one's condensating. Condensating. They all got warm ambient air coming out the top. So yeah, I'm gonna go with this number 4, lucky number 4. Let's try and see if maybe check out the contactors, see if it's engaged. You know, it's a good sign that we're not working properly, is if that contactor is engaged and nothing's going on out here. You know. Yeah. Contactor is engaged. Okay, see that? Well, I'd be willing to bet that there's our problem right there, boy. Right there, man. I tell you what, right there. Let's figure it out. Number 4 is that one. Oh, it's off. Okay. We're cooling, but I still want to check that. Let's do that one more time. You know, you want to do this so you're not shocking yourself, because it holds a lot of voltage sometimes. But I think I've only been shocked once by one of these, and that was while it had power stored to it. Wasn't turned off like I just turned it off, but like, as far as doing that and like touching before you've done that, like I've done that so many times, you will get shocked. Maybe sometimes, I mean, I don't know what it takes. I haven't had it. I literally touched them while they're running, but I don't touch like up here. You know, I'm kind of pointing up. You know, don't touch down in here when it's running. That'll shock the crap out of you. That's why you want to do that. You take the charge away. don't want that to touch anything 24 wise either. You don't change them fuses. It's no fun when you ain't got to climb in the attic when you don't have to, you know. Oh yeah, my headlight's still charging. There. Alright. Need to set it up right there. Let's go. See if I can go behind it so I'll get a better view. Common. Herm. $43. Yeah, we're pretty good. It's a 45, 5 plus or minus 6. It's gonna be less than 43, way less than 43. One more time. All right. Okay. Someone turned off the breaker. Okay. That was an easy fix. Say hello to Deborah the Pinecone. She was my helper today. Oh man. Oh yeah. Copper line's already getting cold. Okay. Thinking about doing a bag review. I don't know if I'm gonna do one or not. You know, with the YouTube channel just now starting out, I don't get any views, so it's like do I want to wait until I actually start getting views to make that video, or do I just want to make that video and let it simmer in the back and see what happens? I don't know. You know, choices you gotta make while being your own boss on your channel, you know? How you want to attack these videos and when you want to make them and how you want to make. A lot goes into it. So, right. Oh, crap. This thing. I don't like the way that's all scattered up right there. Where do I turn it that way? Alright, that makes me feel better. Oh, I'm missing a Sharpie. There it is. Man, gotta love the easy ones. Yeah. Doesn't ever get any better than that. You don't have to really charge the customer or anything. You don't have to bust your butt, sweat your butt off. You just make them happy, and you're happy because you ain't sweat. I ain't even break a sweat yet. That's a rare occasion. That never happens. So this is my only break for the year, I guess. I got it now instead of the dead heat of the summer. So. Oh, what does that stick? Okay. Alrighty. Well, let me talk to the customer and I'll see y'all back at the van. Oh yeah, yeah. But yeah, like I said, they'll never come that easy, so I'm gonna take this as a win today. Well, On to the next one, guys. Y'all stay cool.